In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and print your TSC number. So if you had applied for a TSC number and you have received a confirmation that it is available or the waiting period is over, then it's good to go ahead and check online and then print it out. So the first thing you need to do is to go to this website called Teachers Online. And here is the website, teachersonline.tsc.go.ka. So just tap on it and then you get to this interface. Under this we have various options. Among them we have new teacher registration for Kenyan citizens. We have teacher registration for non-citizen. And then we have here an option to check your registration status. So to check and download your TSC number, go ahead and tap on this registration status. So if I go ahead and click on it, it will take me to this page where you can check your registration status, and then we shall also have a print option. So now here, go ahead and enter your ID number or your passport number. So I'll go ahead and enter my ID number. And then click on this search button. You can see here, my name is written here on top, and then under registration status says registered TSC number, and my number is here. And then it will also indicate teacher not employed by TSC. If you have just received it, it means you are yet to be employed by TSC. The status will be teacher not employed by TSC. Now that we have our TSC number here, it's time to go ahead and print. So tap on this print option. If I go ahead and click on it, it will go ahead and open my TSC number page. So to download your document, go ahead and choose the destination where you want it to be downloaded. So I'll go ahead and tap on this and then select this option called Save as PDF. Now we shall have an option here to go ahead and save. Then click on it. Now here, go ahead and select the destination where you want your TSC number to be saved. I'll choose it to be saved under downloads, and then go ahead and click on save, and immediately that will be saved to my downloads. So let me go ahead and check under downloads, and if I go down here, you can see now I have my TSC number downloaded as PDF. So I can go ahead and open it from here. Now from here, you can go ahead and share it whenever you want, or you can go ahead and print it. So that's how you download your TSC number. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.